One of my music production students was having an issue working with a loop, so he asked for help in a support group. I asked him to send a screen recording to see exactly what he was experiencing. He did, and I noticed he was actually facing two issues. One is that the loop he was working with has a little issue, which is it is a bit longer than it should be, which is not supposed to be like that. And the second one is that the loop is not in synchronization with the BPM of the project. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix both of the issue. First, I would play what I have in the project here, which is a replication of what he was experiencing so that we all know what we are fixing. That is the first problem. That awkward pause before the rope repeated itself. So to fix that, we are going to zoom in on the loop and try to get rid of that extra clip, because naturally a loop is supposed to loop all over smoothly even if it is not in the same BPM with the project. We still have the issue, so we are going to trim even more until we get it perfectly looping. Okay, I think my headphone is having issue. I don't know what has happened. Okay, we have successfully fixed the first problem. Now to the second one. So to do this, you have to decide which you want to do. Do you want to fix the beat to the BPM of the project, or you want to change the BPM of the project to fit the beat? I'll show you how to do both. If you want to set the beat to fit the BPM of the project, you go to this little wave icon on the clip here, click on it, then go to fit to tempo, select it. If you already know the tempo of the loop, then fine, you go down here and use the type in BPM. That is if you already know the BPM of the loop. Sorry, I might be using BPM and tempo interchangeable. I mean the same thing, BPM. Just take note of that. So select type in BPM, then type in the BPM of the loop if you already know it, and bam, now it's on the same BPM with the project. It's looping properly. So let me undo that quickly. Now, in case you don't know the BPM of the loop, what you need to do when you get to this point, fit to tempo, when you get to this point is to allow FL Studio to dictate the BPM for you. So you select 75 to 150 because that's basically the range most Afrobeat and Amapiano use as BPM. So we are going to select it and let FL Studio do the magic. Now it has done it automatically, looping perfectly. Let me quickly undo that again. So now if you want to set the project BPM to that of the loop, to do that, you go to this little wave icon again, then go to dictate BPM, and again you select 75 to 150. You already know why. Now it has detected the BPM of the loop. So it says it's 112.998, but to round everything up, we can just set it to 113, which it already provided us with the option. So select it, and automatically the project BPM has been set to 113, which is the same as the BPM of the loop. Now let's play. Notice that the loop slowed down a little. We are going to fix that. So to fix that, we have to select this tool here. Okay, can you see I've deselected it. To select it, you click and it will light up. Then double click on the loop itself and set it to stretch if it's not on stretch. Now because we have selected this tool, we would be able to drag this thing, the clip, to slip it into where it should be. So hold down Alt and click, then drag until you fit it. Let's listen to what we have. So it's now playing at the original BPM of the loop, and that awkward pause before looping is no longer there. So that is how to go around a situation like this whenever you find yourself struggling in it. So we have come to the end. See you in my next video.